Now, when it comes to the subtraction problems, we have more work to do. When you do not already see an addition sign in between, what you have to do is change the subtraction to addition by adding the opposite. So let's go ahead and do this for this first subtraction problem. We're going to add the opposite. So we change the subtraction to addition, and then I'm going to change this positive 13 to its opposite, which would be negative 13. I grab the typing tool, and then I'm going to type negative 51 plus a negative 13. And then now that I see that I have an addition sign in between, I'm going to apply the addition rules. So I have to look at the sign. That sign is negative and that sign is negative. So we have two negative numbers, so the signs are the same, so we're going to add. So I'll just type that the signs are the same. And then I'm going to put the larger number in terms of absolute value at the top. And then I'm going to add them. And if I have negative 51 and negative 13 together, that makes a lot of negatives, negative 64. Let's look at example B. Again, if you don't already see an addition sign in between, we need to change this problem to addition. So we add the opposite to change subtraction to addition. So I change the subtraction sign to an addition sign, and I write the opposite of the second number. So subtracting a negative 7 became adding a positive 7. So I grab the typing tool and I type negative 20 plus, and when we write positive 7, normally we don't write that little positive symbol at the top, we just write 7. Now that we see addition, now we're ready to apply the addition rules. You have to have an addition sign in between to apply these addition rules. I see a negative sign on the 20. I see no sign on the 7, which means it's a positive. So one number is a negative, one is a positive. So signs are different. We're going to subtract. I'm going to record the absolute value of negative 20. That would be 20. Remember, absolute value is distance from 0. The absolute value of 7 is 7. Now that they're both positive numbers, I can compare them. Which is larger? The 20. So I write the 20 at the top and the 7 at the bottom. 20 minus 7 is 13. And then I look back. Which did I have more of? Well, the 20 was larger, and the 20 was a negative value. So my answer is a negative 13 because I had more of the negatives than the positives.